Erie County's mission to reinforce refugee settlement is receiving some backing from the federal government. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ala Arabi tells us tonight about how the City of Good Neighbors is really going to roll out the welcome mat.
In September, President Trump issued an executive order that states refugees will not be allowed to resettle into a state or locality unless a governor and local official provide written consent.
I signed this letter here telling the Secretary that we will continue to be a welcoming community.
Erie County has a history of welcoming refugees from around the world. The consent letter to Secretary Michael Pompeo puts in writing that the county's mission will continue. Since 2008, Erie County has welcomed more than 13,500 refugees from 40 countries as they begin their new lives here in the United States. County Executive Mark Poloncarz says as they welcome refugees fleeing their home countries because of war or genocide, there are organizations and resources here to help them navigate their new lives.
We've made a commitment to ensure language isn't a barrier to accessing services. We have language identification posters that are prominently displayed in all of our reception areas.
We also are very proud to be here to support refugees and immigrants and survivors of torture.
Poloncarz says the refugees welcomed here are in the United States legally, but there's been a decline in the past few years in Erie County. In 2016, there were 1,966 refugees. Fast forward to 2018, that number 295. That's a drop of more than 1,600 people. But he says the community will continue to welcome them.
The United States that's represented by that Statue of Liberty in New York Harbor, asking everyone across the world to send us their tired, their poor, because we are the community that welcomes them.
In Buffalo, Ala Arabi, 7 Eyewitness News.